All right, guys. When I know, say, our president, you know, they want to attack him, then they don't want to attack him. So everybody was confused. But we saw that, for me, on our live broadcast yesterday, I criticized it that regardless of what, nobody should be able to be that close to the president. So I was blaming the security people protecting the president yesterday on our live broadcast. But now, Ojo of Arise TV don't come tell us what actually happened, you know, while Tinubu was giving his speech, what happened. I want to make we take this one together, then we'll recapitulate back on that particular video he gave, and how you can see it properly in a holistic view, you know, then we'll take it from there. Let's watch this.
President Tinubu was briefly interrupted when a young man who was said to be physically challenged attempted to approach him while he was delivering his speech. Security operatives quickly intervened and restrained the young man. However, Tinubu calmly instructed the security detail to leave him alone. Let's take a look.
Today, I've seen an example of people-oriented commitment, development agenda, and far-sightedness in the governor, who had established not only critical center to train and develop the mind of our youths leaving schools, as well as providing them with skill and opportunity to excel. Leave him alone. As providing them with skill and opportunity to excel. As providing them with skill and opportunity to excel.
Indeed. Adefemi, I saw you go like, when you saw. But you know, this video has gone viral on social media with so many different interpretations. People saying that, you know, the president was attacked in Kaduna State, but that's not the case. Because I reached out to our reporter in Kaduna, Nisi Gabriel, who was there live, and he saw that it was this young boy who didn't know anything about the protocols, obviously was so excited and wanted to go and, you know, say hello to the president. So that was really what all it was, just for our viewers and for the people that have been peddling these narratives. The president was not attacked. Go ahead.
I mean, gosh, there's so much to say. Let's begin with the young boy.
Yes.
You know, in the Bible, there was the woman who said, if only I can touch the hem of his garment. You know, it's not every day that you are around the proximity of where the president is. Young, excitable boy, poor him, just thought, maybe if I could just shake his hand or something. So I just do appeal to the presidency that I hope they can find that young boy. I think it's a good opportunity for us to do some community outreach.
Yes,
Let's, you know, just treat him to a trip to the Aso Villa, so he can actually meet the president because he was so eager and enthusiastic to see. So I appeal to the presidency just to make that happen. It's just a sign of good faith, you know, just a sign of good faith. And thank you so much for dispelling that rumor. It was not an attack, but, you know, just a disruption from the young boy. Now,
So, what's your take on this? What do you say happened? You know, Ojo Dr. Kana said that one boy or we physically challenged. If they want to go touch the president because he loved the president, the most beautiful, the best president Nigeria have ever produced. If they want to go hug him and all that, now Ojo they tell us this one. So he's saying she investigates everything and all that. So what's your own take? This is Nigeria Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affect you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.